Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm taking you on a walking tour of some of the best beaches and streets in Thailand. I'm so excited to share this experience with you all, so make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more travel content. Thailand is a country that's rich in culture, history, and natural beauty. And there's no better way to experience its charm than by exploring its beaches and streets on foot. That's exactly what I did, and I'm thrilled to show you everything I discovered.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
Our journey begins in Bangkok, where the vibrant city streets are bustling with life. We'll explore the famous Khao San Road, a popular destination for backpackers, and witness the energy and excitement that makes this area so special. From the colorful street markets to the ornate temples and street food vendors, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Next, we head to the southern part of Thailand, where the stunning beaches await. Our first stop is the popular island of Phuket, where we'll explore the bustling town of Patong and its famous beach. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment below on your favorite part of the tour. And of course, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more virtual travel experiences like this one. Let's get started.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.